place is just spectacular, and you can see the waves in the middle lower corner about to start is where the kids learn to surf, and many fun days were had. Also visible in the top right hand corner is Picnic Island, which you'll see later on in the video.
Chagas. Thank you. And on board we have, what's this called? The Kasia, the #1 mom in the Anchorage. Good heaven! And we just had some surfing this morning. Now we're off on a picnic. Yeah. We can just punch it. Now on Benedict's birthday. Got a fire going. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, everybody, for being here. You made such a long journey to come to Czechia.
Just for your birthday.
Just for my birthday. I really appreciate it.
Good. Well, happy birthday. The South African goes last, just to make sure the coals are hot enough. Oh, wow.
You can double it if
There's a party games. Can I just see this rope if you stop? What's a rope? It's actually, it's a stick.
It's a really wobbly stick.
Wow.
It's a big flexible vine.
That's awesome. Looks like a good fire. How's the birthday lady?
the apéro is going well.
Good.
We can't wait to have the grill.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So how is the barbecue?
I think it's getting good.
We have sausages too.
Whoa, fish and sausage. Sure.
But I had sausages.
Hey, so come out.
Well, that looks cool.
That looks so cool. Yeah, I saw them coming. Now with the air, it really lights up. What do you guys think? Fun?
Yes. Very, very.
What is nice is that I get so much islands, you know, on my map of
Yes.
South Pacific.
Oh, shame. Chocolate buffets. Yes. Yeah, it seems to have got bigger. Wow.
Can somebody
That
make
is
a
a
picture
feast.
of
Six, seven. That is too good.
maybe when your mother will come, we have to put
Oh yeah. And one more. Ah, okay. Yeah. Especially, that looks like a fun thing for kids, eh?
When they are young. I hope you
And is that a special birthday too, or that's just okay. Oh shit. Do you want to come over?
I'll bring we'll bring water. The big one. Thank you.
Oh, is it even for the big ones? Wow.
Oh.
Thank you. Wow, that's a nice. Ooh, it's still warm. Yeah, feed himself. Ah. These are good, eh? Thank you.
This is irregular Hebrew.
Whoa.
So you see that there are marks that tells you everything, how to read it and how to pronounce it, and not only the vowels, but when to stop, when to sing. This is how it looks on the Bible itself. You don't see where it starts, when a sentence starts, when it stops. And basically, he was lucky. So I asked today, I searched if I can have an English translation of what it says.
Oh yes, please.
But there is
Listen
no,
here, guys.
so I will try to translate, because some of the people, they got a terrible, because the Bible is full with terrible sections. But Yoav is very lucky.
You know there is some sex as well, no?
Everything. Sex is a good. Yeah.
Take it one.
But you know, sacrifice thing.
Too much
This,
wine.
basically, this section is a really nice one. It's really famous. It's just before the people escaped from Egypt and they are coming to Israel, to land of the Holy Land, Israel, and they are very afraid what will happen. And then God promised them, "Don't worry. You walked 40 years in the desert, and your clothes are new, like the day you left, and your legs are not hurting to you. So the same as I took you through the desert, I will bring you to the good country, which is full of with water and rivers and fruits." So I don't, the land of honey and everything. No, I don't know how to
Hard to
translate
say.
it, but it's very famous. That's we say Israel is the country of the seven.
Yeah, that's
This
it.
is the sentence. This
Okay.
is it.
Yeah.
That's the section exactly, and it says, "Don't worry." Yeah. So you have now. We'll say it, and then you have
Yeah.
the candies of the kids.
So
Okay.
The kids need to
Gotta have
when
candy
you
ready.
need to throw on your.
So only the kids can
And
throw.
remember, don't laugh. It's very dangerous.
Oh, we don't want to get struck by lightning, guys. Remember.
I think this one. Maybe we can take it. It's too precious to throw it. No. Oh, you can throw it also. Okay. Take.
He's running away. Come back.
Don't forget to collect. Anna, come on.
Okay, Anna. Take some candy, Anna. And you must. Can you tell Anna to throw it at him?
il faut lancer les bonbons tout à l'heure pour se dire.
Only at the end, though, huh?
He's practicing for the
No, bro.
We don't have time to practice. Change the. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Everyone quiet.
Okay. Don't miss even one
Awesome. Here we go, guys. A toothbrush even. Well done, you. Very good. That's excellent. You congratulate him. Oh, he's got it right. And the winner is. Who's the winner? Oh, you haven't got it. Too low. On the ground. Look at how much he's got.
Did someone look backwards? Sandy candy.
Ah, there's a question on there?
What's your biggest
No artificial colors.
Chagas was such a special place and involved different activities such as fishing with the kids, bringing home dinner for the evening with some very, very tasty fish. Gabby got involved with some of her painting and ended up painting some beautiful portraits of the islands that surrounded us, and in fact gave me one for my birthday, which we celebrated in Seychelles. Ben cooked us pizza one evening, a skill he had learned from Aerial 4, and just generally messing around in the afternoons after school. And most evenings we would head to the beach with a bonfire and enjoy some sundowner drinks with just special friends. Just a fantastic place.
Graduation day aboard Cool Runnings. And graduation is in what country? Woo, isn't that exciting? You guys graduated. Now tell me, what are you graduating from? What grade?
6th grade.
And Ben? 7?
And
Excellent. Alright guys, well, don't tear it.
I do the ceremony in the classes.
Okay.
Recognition of finishing your grade. Gabriella, congratulations for finishing with 6.5. Today we'll receive Chagas.
Well done. Very well done, baby. Nice firm handshake. You proud?
Very proud.
Good. Benjamin?
I think Gabby actually.
Principal Gabriella,
Yeah.
most improved and the maths prize goes to Benjamin.
Thank
Congratulations.
you.
Nice firm handshake again. Well done, the two of you scooching together.
Wait, we need to hold this flag. So,
We could maybe do that, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little windy.
should we put it?
Is this a cool place to graduate?